안녕하십니까, 니꼬쌤입니다. And in this video we are going to learn how hackers can steal your information and spy on everything you are typing on your keyboard just by using Zoom and a little bit of AI. That is according to a new paper called A Practical Deep Learning Based Acoustic Side Channel Attack on Keyboards. In this paper, a team of researchers explain how they were able to train a deep learning model that can know what you are typing on your keyboard based on the sound your keystrokes make with 95% accuracy. This is known as a side channel attack. Side channel attacks, or SCAs, are attacks that don't break the security of your machine. Instead, they make use of the side information or signals that your computer emits normally. Signals like power usage, heat, or sound, like on the attack we're talking about. This kind of attack, an acoustic attack, has been around for a while. It is not new. What is new is how accurate it is thanks to AI. We all know we should use long and secure passwords, and we should cover the screen or keyboard when we are writing a password in a public place. But if you think about it, we do very little to obfuscate the sound of our keyboard. Some people even try to make their keyboard even louder. Maybe after this attack, we will all have to start talking very loudly or playing music while writing our passwords. If you're thinking this kind of attack can only happen to those people that use mechanical keyboards that have very loud and special sounds, you will be wrong. The laptop used on this paper to demonstrate the attacks is actually a MacBook Pro, which is not a loud keyboard at all. The way the attack works is very simple but interesting. First, hackers will have to record the keystrokes of the victim's keyboard. You might think this is hard to do. Maybe they will have to hack the phone of the victim first to access the microphone. Or, even easier, they can just invite the victim to hop on a Zoom meeting and correlate the messages written on the chat window with the keyboard sounds picked up by the microphone. Or they can build a dodgy website that requests access to the camera and microphone. And if the victim gives permission, then it's over. After they know how your keyboard sounds like, the hackers will need to isolate those sounds. Here is an image from the paper that shows us how the keystroke sounds can be isolated from other sounds using energy thresholds. Then the attackers will have to take those isolated keystroke sounds and turn them into Mel spectrograms, which are a modified version of a spectrogram. Spectrograms are a visual representation of audio. They are a plane of colored pixels with an X and Y axis. The X axis represents time, the Y axis represents the frequency, and the brightness of the pixel represents the loudness of the sound. On this image, we can see the waveform and the Mel spectrogram of a keystroke recorded using a microphone and another one recorded through Zoom. With the sounds turned into images, the next step of the attack is to train a neural network with those images. The team behind this paper chose to use CoAtNet, an image classifier model built by Google's Brain team. This classifier achieved an accuracy of 95%, with keystroke sounds recorded by an iPhone 13 mini placed 17 centimeters away from the laptop. It achieved 93% accuracy with keystroke sounds recorded on a Zoom call. And it achieved 91.7% accuracy by just calling the victim through Skype. Scary. To protect ourselves against this attack, the team of researchers behind this paper suggest a couple of things. First, they suggest typing using touch typing. Just by doing this, the keystroke recognition was reduced from 64% to 40%. Another mitigation technique is to use passwords that have both lower and uppercase. And of course, finally, the authors of the paper recommend playing sounds while writing our passwords. Preferably sounds with fake keystrokes, rather than white noise or other sounds, since they are fairly easy to isolate. And of course, they recommend you mute your microphone when writing on your keyboard. What a crazy world we live in! Thanks to AI, attacks that were not easy to perform are going to become trivial to do more and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Just 2 clicks. It's for free, but it helps me a lot. And let me know what you think. Write your opinion on the comments. If you like the way I explain concepts and you would like to learn things like JavaScript, Python, React, React Native, Go, Dart, Flutter, among many others, by building real-life products and skipping the boring theory, all for free, all you have to do is click the link below to join any of our many free courses that you can take right now for absolutely free with me. Click the link below and I will see you there. 언제나 감사하고 사랑합니다. See you on the next one. 다음에 봐요. Bye bye.